Dear students, today in this class we have to discuss about fifth main on triangles. In given figure, DE is parallel to OQ. DE is parallel to OQ and DF is parallel to OR. DF is parallel to OR. We need to show that EF is parallel to QR. EF is parallel to QR. Okay? If corresponding ratios are same or equal, then the parallel lines are equal to each other. Solution or proof. In triangle POQ, look at the left side portion, okay? Left side portion. In triangle POQ, in triangle POQ, DE is parallel to OQ. DE is parallel to OQ. Therefore, PE divided by EQ is equal to PD by DO. PD by DO according to basic proportionality theorem or by basic proportionality theorem. Okay? Equation 1. Now, in triangle POR, see the right side, okay? In triangle POR, DF is parallel to OR. Therefore, PF by FR is equal to PD by DO. By basic proportionality theorem we obtain. From this is equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, equations we obtain, see, both corresponding ratios are equal or same, then the parallel sides are equal to each other. Therefore, PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. Therefore, EF is parallel to QR. Okay? Converse of basic proportionality theorem. By converse of BPT. Hence, proved. Okay? This is the answer. Dear students, now sixth main we have in the given figure A, B and C are the points on OP, OQ and OR respectively, such that AB is parallel to PQ and AC is parallel to PR. We need to show that BC is parallel to QR. Okay, let us find the equations 1 and 2. Solution, proof. In triangle POQ, or you can take OPQ. In triangle OPQ, AB is parallel to PQ. Therefore, OA by AP is equal to OB by BQ. By basic proportionality theorem we obtain. Equation 1. Next, in triangle OPR. In triangle OPR, AC is parallel to PR. Given, is it? Given here. AC is parallel to PR. Therefore, OA by AP is equal to OC by CR. OC by CR. By basic proportionality theorem we get equation 2. From equations 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 equations, we obtain corresponding ratios are equal to each other. OA by AP is equal to OB by PQ. OA by AP is equal to OC by CR. Okay. OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR. OC by CR. Therefore, BC is parallel to QR. Therefore, BC is parallel to QR by the converse of basic proportionality theorem. By the converse of basic proportionality theorem. Hence, proved. Okay. If corresponding ratios are equal to each other, then the lines are parallel. That is, BC is parallel to QR. Dear students, now we have to discuss about something. Using theorem 2.1, that is basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem, prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side bisects the third side. Okay, dear students, consider the given figure. Okay, I will draw a triangle. Consider the given figure. Consider the given figure. Triangle ABC. See here, a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle. One side of a triangle. P is the midpoint of AB. See, PQ is parallel to BC. Consider the given figure, triangle ABC, in which PQ is a line segment drawn through the midpoint of line AB such that PQ is parallel to BC. I will write here, okay? Consider the given figure. Consider the given figure in which PQ is a line segment PQ is a line segment drawn through the, see here, drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle, through the midpoint, drawn through the midpoint P of line AB, such that PQ is parallel to BC. PQ is parallel to BC. By using basic proportionality theorem, we obtain. By using basic proportionality theorem, we obtain AQ by QC. AQ by QC is equal to AP by PB. AP by PB. Dear students, P is the midpoint of line AB, so AP is equal to PB. AP is equal to PB. AQ by QC is equal to AP by, in the place of PB I will write AP. Once, okay. Therefore, AQ by QC is equal to 1 by 1. Therefore, AQ is equal to QC. AQ is equal to QC. If corresponding ratios are equal to each other, then the lines are parallel. Therefore, Q is the midpoint of AC. We need to prove that Q is the midpoint of AC. Therefore, answer is Q is the midpoint of AC. Hence proved. Hence proved. This is the answer. Here I will write P is the midpoint of line AB.